Front-loading washing machines are popular in modern homes due to their efficient design and space-saving features. These machines not only save time and energy compared to traditional top loaders, but also provide superior cleaning results. However, to keep them working at their best, regular maintenance is essential. Over time, detergent residue, fabric softeners, and moisture can accumulate, leading to mold, mildew, and unpleasant odors. If left unaddressed, these issues can affect the machine's performance and your laundry's cleanliness. Cleaning your front loader is simple and can help extend its lifespan. By maintaining your washing machine regularly, you'll ensure it continues to perform optimally, avoid costly repairs, and enjoy fresher, cleaner laundry with every load. Taking the time to clean your machine is an investment in both your appliance and your clothing's longevity. The cleaning process begins with the drum, which is the central component of your washing machine. Over time, it can accumulate soap scum, detergent residue, dirt, lint, and even small fabric fibers from your laundry. This buildup can affect the machine's cleaning performance and cause unpleasant odors that linger in your clothes. To clean the drum, run an empty cycle with hot water and add 2 cups of white vinegar directly into the drum. Vinegar is a natural cleaner that dissolves soap scum, mineral deposits, and neutralizes any foul odors. The heat helps loosen any residue, while the vinegar works to break down buildup. Once the cycle is complete, open the washing machine door and use a microfiber cloth to wipe down the drum, paying extra attention to the edges and corners where buildup tends to gather. Wiping the drum after the vinegar cycle ensures that all residue is removed, leaving the drum fresh and clean for the next load. This simple cleaning step is vital for maintaining the effectiveness of your washing machine and ensuring your laundry smells fresh. Next, we turn to the door seal, an important part of the washing machine that is often overlooked. The rubber gasket around the door is designed to create a tight seal during washing, preventing water from leaking out. However, this area tends to trap moisture, which can lead to mold and mildew growth if not cleaned properly. Over time, detergent residue, hair, and small debris from your laundry can accumulate in the folds and crevices of the seal, worsening the problem and causing unpleasant smells. To clean the door seal, gently pull back the rubber gasket and check for mold, mildew, or debris. The folds are especially prone to trapping moisture and dirt. Using a cloth dampened with a mixture of water and white vinegar, wipe down the entire seal. Vinegar is highly effective at breaking down detergent buildup and killing mold and mildew. For hard-to-reach spots, an old toothbrush can be used to scrub away stubborn mold or dirt. After cleaning, be sure to dry the seal thoroughly with a soft towel to prevent moisture buildup, which can encourage further mold growth. Regularly cleaning the door seal not only prevents odors but also helps maintain the integrity of the gasket, ensuring it continues to form a proper seal and functions effectively over time. The detergent drawer is another critical area that requires attention. Over time, detergent, fabric softener, and bleach residue can build up in the compartments of the detergent drawer. This accumulation can clog the various channels and prevent the proper flow of detergent during wash cycles, which in turn can result in less effective cleaning. If left unchecked, detergent residue can also contribute to the development of mold and mildew inside the drawer, leading to foul odors that transfer to your laundry. To clean the detergent drawer, start by pulling it out as far as it will go. Some washing machines have a removable drawer, so you may need to consult your machine's manual for specific instructions on how to safely remove it. Once removed, soak the drawer in warm water to help loosen any buildup. After soaking, use a toothbrush to scrub away the residue in all the compartments, including the fabric softener section, which often attracts a significant amount of buildup. Scrub all corners and edges where detergent may have crystallized or hardened. Once the drawer is completely clean, rinse it thoroughly with water to ensure no detergent residue remains. It's essential to dry the drawer before reinserting it back into the machine to avoid moisture buildup, which could lead to mold. Regular cleaning of the detergent drawer is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your washing machine, ensuring that the detergent is properly dispensed and your clothes are cleaned effectively. The washing machine filter is another area that can easily be neglected, but is important for maintaining proper machine function. The filter traps lint, coins, and other small debris that may come loose during a wash. If the filter becomes clogged with too much debris, it can prevent the machine from draining water properly and can even damage the internal components of the washer. To clean the filter, open the access panel at the bottom of the washing machine. which is typically located in the front or bottom of the appliance. Be sure to have a towel or shallow pan ready, as removing the filter can result in some water spilling out. Carefully unscrew or pull out the filter, depending on your machine's design. Rinse the filter under running water, using a soft brush to scrub away any dirt, lint, or other debris. If necessary, you can use a damp cloth to wipe down the area surrounding the filter to ensure there is no remaining residue. Once the filter is clean, carefully reinsert it into its housing, making sure it is securely fastened. A clean filter ensures that your washing machine drains properly and functions efficiently, helping to prevent potential issues with water drainage or the performance of the machine. After cleaning the drum, door seal, detergent drawer, and filter, it's a good idea to run another hot water cycle to further freshen up the machine. This time, add 1/2 cup of baking soda to the drum. Baking soda is another excellent natural cleaner and deodorizer that helps to neutralize any lingering odors and can break down any residual detergent or soap scum that may remain. The hot water will further loosen any trapped residue, and the baking soda will help absorb any unwanted smells. Once the cycle has completed, leave the washing machine door open for several hours to allow the interior to fully dry out. This is an important step to prevent mold and mildew from forming, as the warmth and moisture inside the machine create the perfect conditions for bacterial growth. Allowing the door to stay open also promotes air circulation, which helps keep your machine fresh and clean. Finally, regular maintenance is the key to preventing the buildup of mold, mildew, and detergent residue in the future. After each wash, leave the door slightly ajar to promote airflow, which helps prevent moisture from becoming trapped inside the drum. Wipe down the door seal every few washes to remove any moisture that may have accumulated. Additionally, performing a deep clean of your washing machine once a month, as outlined above, will help ensure that your washing machine remains in peak condition. Regularly cleaning the machine not only improves its performance, but also helps keep your laundry smelling fresh and free of any unpleasant odors. By investing just a little time each month into maintaining your washing machine, you're helping to protect your appliance, your clothing, and your overall laundry experience. This simple routine will keep your washing machine running efficiently, ultimately saving you money on potential repairs and ensuring that your clothes continue to come out fresh and clean with every load.